Securing your digital assets this day and age is absolutely a must. Using the Xverse wallet is an excellent option, but we're going to take it next level and we're going to use Ledger with it. So this is a Ledger wallet. It is a hardware wallet. It's also known as a cold wallet. So this is like one of the most secure ways to store your crypto. I have two of these. I've got a black one. It's a really cool orange one. But what the Ledger wallet allows you to do is store all your crypto and your NFTs, these ordinals we'll be talking about today, and one of the most secure ways that you can. We have been able to store our ordinals on a Ledger before, but it's been a little complicated and we've had to use Sparrow. But now Xverse has made this super simple, and this video is all about how to use it with Xverse. Now, if you don't have one already, go ahead and pick up a Ledger, spend $100, $150 to secure your assets. Use the link in my description. It is an affiliate link, but it should also help you out. I know they do some pretty good discounts on occasion. If you already have one, go ahead and grab another, or if you don't, grab two. And the reason I say this is I use one. This one here, this is kind of this is for ordinals only, and I have one that's for all the other assets that I have. And the reason I do that is because, yes, Ledger can allow you to have a taproot address to send and receive ordinals, but whenever you pull up Ledger Live, it still shows as Bitcoin. It's not separated under Ledger Live. If you know, like this one here, I know this is my ordinals only. That's safe. I won't use it for anything else. And this one is for all the other ones. This is a really exciting video because Xverse has Ledger integration with them. They've had it for a little bit, but they've actually come out with some brand new features. We're going to find out what those are today. Like I said, we have used Ledger in the past before. I have a video on that, but we're using the Wallet Sparrow, and it's actually really complicated to do. But Xverse has made this super easy to do. You're going to need the desktop, your Ledger, and the core to plug it into it. So to get started, make sure you have your Ledger again, and you need to download the Bitcoin app and already have that open. I don't know if you can see, but it will look a lot like that. Bitcoin is ready. We're going to go to our Xverse app that we have. Once we're in, we're just going to go up to the three dots and go to switch account. This will allow us to select connect hardware wallet. It'll open a brand new screen. Yes, we want to secure our assets with the Ledger. Get started. We are doing Bitcoin and ordinals. Before you get started, make sure, again, like I said earlier, you do not use Ledger Live. Okay, don't use Ledger Live with this. It's just making sure that you understand that if you use the Ledger Live Bitcoin addresses, it may get a little conflicted. So you can create a different account. So this is just kind of saying that, like I said, you should maybe use two devices, one for all your other things and this for only your ordinals. This is because that they could get intertwined. You just have to make sure you understand that. You are able to create a different account on your Ledger if you wanted to. Like I said, I've done this before. It should be okay, but this is just another warning. So you're gonna understand it, continue. It's gonna ask you to connect your Ledger, connect, find it. I have the Nano X, connect it. So then you're gonna go to your device. And it's just I'm going to kind of show you. So it's going to just ask you to confirm the address you see on the website. And to do that, you just kind of move it over. You look it over. Looks good. Approve. And it's going to ask you to do your ordinal. So you look it over and approve it. Okay, and then it's good to go. So you can name it if you want to. We'll just do test Ledger. Let's just tell you how to get to it once you're inside Xverse. So you're up to here. Now that you're connected, at the top, you can hit the down arrow. And you'll see at the top, it says Ledger. And then here you go. So whenever you go to receive this, it could ask you if you wanted to verify the addresses again, or if you just already trust it, you can use this. So this is your Bitcoin address. As you notice, this is a BC1Q, whereas when we're actually in Xverse itself, it starts with a 3. So I believe that's SegWit and then legacy. So it's a little different, but the same Bitcoin. I'll go back to the Ledger. So receive it. So this, when you verify addresses on Ledger, this is going to tell you that, okay, I want to verify my Bitcoin one. We're going to verify it. It's going to go back here and ask you the same thing. You're going to connect your Ledger. It's going to pop up on here again, and then you'll just have to approve it, and it's good to go. Or if you just wanted to, whenever you go to receive and just view it, it should be the same address. Like I haven't seen it differently, but if you just, it's an extra form of caution you should take if you wanted to. So to receive Bitcoin and ordinals, it's pretty simple. So once we're in the wallet, we're just going to go to receive. So we can do view addresses. Here's our ordinals. If we want to get an ordinal, we'll copy that. We'll send this ape runner. So we'll paste our address into it, hit next, confirm it, and that's all it takes. Now to receive Bitcoin, we'll go back to Ledger, back to our wallet, receive view addresses. We're going to go to Bitcoin. We're going to copy that. So this is saying this is for Bitcoin only. Don't put ordinals or BSC20 tokens on this address. So to receive Bitcoin, you would just go to receive, view addresses, Bitcoin, go to account, Bitcoin, send it, and then you paste in the address, and then however much you want to send, and then that's how you receive Bitcoin. So sending out an ordinal is pretty simple. It's just like using the regular Xverse app, but there's more steps because you have your Ledger just confirming stuff, and we'll do that real quickly. So we'll send out this BTC survival gear. So we're going to click on it. We're going to send it. We're going to paste in our address that we're sending it to. We'll hit next, confirm, we'll connect it. Make sure again that you're in the Bitcoin app on yours, and I am using a different ordinal. You'll have to confirm the transaction on your ledger. I am using just a different one for this purpose real quick. So it's gonna ask you to confirm it. I'm confirming our externals. So review output 1. The BTC amount, it's gonna give you the address it's sending to. So you're gonna have to just cycle through that, confirm it. You approve the transaction. It's got a review output number 2, gives the amount, the address again. This is a Bitcoin address. We're going to approve it, confirm transaction. It's got the fees for it, accept and send. It's processing, so it's been confirmed there. That's going to ask you to go through it again. There are external inputs. We are going to confirm it. Review output 1, the Bitcoin amount, the address it's going to, approve. Review output 2. This is the fees, I'm assuming. So this is the Bitcoin address. Approve that. Confirm transaction. Bitcoin fees. Accept and send. It's processing, and you'll see on the screen that's been confirmed and it's been broadcasted. So we'll close this out, and that's all it takes. So as you see, it's really super easy to connect it to Xverse. It's really easy to send stuff, to receive things. It's just like using the Xverse app. You only have a couple extra steps, which is actually physically using your ledger to confirm everything. You guys have been asking for it. It's finally here. Using your ledger with Xverse, you can now connect to Magic Eden. You can list your ordinals with your ledger on Magic Eden, and you can buy your favorite collections on Magic Eden with Ledger. This has been one of the most sought after requests, and Xverse and Ledger finally made it happen along with Magic Eden, so this is awesome. And I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. I'm on Magic Eden. We're going to go to Connect Wallet. We're going to select Xverse. This is my ledger. We're going to approve it. Again, make sure with your ledger that you are within the Bitcoin app and your ledger, the firmware is updated to its latest one, and all your apps are updated as well. You just connect to the ledger live and let it update. We're going to sign. This is saying what it wants us to do. We're going to click sign, connect. It's going to ask you to review the output 1. We're going to approve that. This is confirming their transaction. There's no fees. It's just sign that you own this wallet. This is you. Bam. Okay, so now we're in our wallet. Here we have our payments wallet, which has the Bitcoin, and our ordinals wallet. So I'll show you how to list this. This is the only one I have. We're going to click on it. We're going to list it, submit listings. So this is going to be broadcasted, inputs confirmed this, connecting our ledger. Make sure you have your Bitcoin app open. It's going to ask you to confirm the signature, their external inputs, continue, review output 1. This is the address, Bitcoin address, approve that, confirm transaction, the fees, accept and send. So you do have to get this up, essentially, Magic Eden to list it. So there we have it listed. Easy enough. Okay, I'm going to show you how to buy one real quick. I'm just going to buy a bitmap off the floor. We're just going to go pick this one. We're going to buy it, confirm. Again, make sure you're in the Bitcoin app. So here's our inscription, confirm this, connecting our ledger, confirm the signature. So we see here it's processing. So yep, continue, review output 1, the address, approve it. Just going through different outputs. I'll be honest with you, I don't know why there's so many, but it's kind of like the amount, the address, approve it. Here's the transaction, accept and send right there. So one item bought and sweet. So we can go look here. This is under our account and see our activity that we did buy this. So once this has gone through on the mempool, then this will show up under our items right here. So now you can see that my bitmat is in my ledger. We can come up to the app and we'll see our bitmats right there. So I know personally a lot of people have asked me how we can use our ledgers to store ordinals, and this is the easiest way to do it. So we were using Sparrow in the past, but it was really complicated. You can see my ledger video in that. But this one, actually, I'm going to be using this like moving forward because this is super easy to do. If you've ever used MetaMask in Ledger, this is very similar to it. You're just using an app called Xverse. Xverse did this really well. They give you a lot of disclaimers. It's super simple to set up. Took no time at all. And then now the latest feature that you guys have been asking for is be able to buy and sell Magic Eden or just any exchange. And as you can see, it's possible. We've done that. I showed you how to buy a bitmap. If you don't have a ledger, please go get one. This is how to keep your assets the safest as can be. Yes, Xverse is great, but it is a hot wallet, meaning it needs, internet connection all the time. Whereas with ledgers or cold wallets or hardware wallets, these are very, very safe to do, and you should be storing your crypto assets on these anyways. So please navigate to that link in the description to buy your ledger. It does help me out, but it also helps you out as well. If you found this information useful, please leave a comment. Tell me how you're using your ledger if you already have one. If you don't have a ledger but you have a different hardware wallet, which one would you like to see Xverse integrate next? Drop a comment below and I'll make sure the team sees it. If you want to see something particular or if I missed something, please drop a comment below. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Get ready to show off your love for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto projects. From top-notch hats to shirts, hoodies, and accessories, they've got everything you need to rock your favorite projects. Don't settle for less. Don't let lack of knowledge and assets hold you back from creating awesome merch for your project. They handle everything, from website store design, hosting, inventory management, shipping, and more. Visit CryptoLids.com today and turn your merch dreams into reality.